Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be giving you the general rule for outdoor etiquette for an elegant lady. So if you're an elegant lady and you intend to go out for a date night, for a meeting, for basically partying with friends or outing with friends, these are the rules you need to keep at the back of your mind while going out for such outings. If you are interested in this kind of video, keep on watching. Outing etiquette are basic necessities for every elegant lady, not just lady. I think for the both parties, both the men and the ladies. These are very important etiquettes you want to always put at the back of your mind, or you should incorporate in your daily life behaviors. And without so much talking, let's begin with the first one. The first etiquette, the first outing etiquette you want to put into consideration or you want to incorporate in your daily attitudes or your daily behaviors is to always sit and cross your leg as a lady. This is particularly for ladies. If you're a lady and you're going out for outings, for dinner dates, or for basically outings with friends, you always want to sit and cross your leg. Sitting and crossing your leg gives you that more comfort and more elegance. It also gives you confidence in yourself. So as an elegant lady, you always want to sit and cross your legs. Now we're going to move to the next point. The next point we have on our list is always have extra cash in your purse. Extra cash in your purse because sometimes your card might not just function and you want to avoid situations of being disgraced. So you always want to have extra cash in your purse. Also, aside the cards not working, you might go out on a date with someone who is not maturely responsible and some certain behaviors might happen there. You all know this. I don't want to say anything, and in case of situations like that, you don't have to go through stress. You don't have to bother yourself on how you're going to get back home. You just need to use your extra cash on your bag and settle whatever you have to settle, and yeah, that is it. So that is the second point we have on our list, and we are going to move to the third point. The third point, or the third general rule of outing etiquette we have on our list, is to be conscious or to recognize interest and disinterest. Sometimes you might get into conversation with someone and you notice that conversation the other party isn't interested. You need to know when to stop. So always be on alert when you are conversing with someone, when you are having a discussion with someone. Make sure your discussion is on both parties. It's not just on you. You are not the only one talking and the other person is just like, okay, yeah. You don't want something like that. Your discussion should be more interactive. It should be the both parties involved. So you need to recognize if this particular topic you guys are discussing on is interesting to both parties. That's you and the other person. If it is not interesting, make sure you look for a way to stop the discussion. Make sure you look for a way to end this discussion, since you might be you are the only one who is enjoying this discussion, especially in situations whereby you are the one who is like at the front of the discussion. Make sure you look for a way to terminate the discussion and move to something else. Now we are going to move to the next one, which is the importance of punctuality. I know punctuality for most people is an issue. Myself, sometimes I'm not always that punctual, but recently I've been trying as much as I can to be punctual. Punctuality is one aspect, particularly for me. If I'm going out for an outing with a friend and we say 4 p.m., 4 p.m. should be 4 p.m. I shouldn't get there at 4 p.m. or maybe like 15 minutes after 4 p.m. and nobody is there and you aren't there and you are showing up at 5 o'clock. It doesn't make you look good at all. If you have that attitude in you, you need to make sure it ends now. Like now that you're watching this video, that behavior should end. Punctuality can cost you a lot, especially at your workplace or dinner dates. Not just workplace, dinner date, business meeting. Punctuality can cost you a whole lot. So punctuality should be one aspect of your life that you are very conscious about, no matter the situation. If you're not able to be at that particular place on the stated time or on the stated appointment, you can give a call before then to alert the other person that you won't be able to make it at that time. Might be you can reschedule the date, or reschedule the time so that the other party doesn't have to go there and wait. So punctuality is one important aspect that you need to put into consideration. And now we are going to move to the last one, which is the fifth point of the general rule of outing etiquette. The fifth point we have on our list is the importance of eye contact and smiling. You don't want to go out for a dinner date and you're like, as if the whole world is after you. You don't want a situation like that. You want to make sure you keep your smile good, classy and elegant. I didn't say you should just go on a dinner date and you're opening your teeth everywhere. No, there is a cute way you can smile and it makes you look elegant and classy. So you always want to give that cute smile no matter the situation, no matter how bad the situation is. You might go out on a dinner date with someone you don't really like, or go out on a dinner date with someone and you notice the conversation or the person is not as interested as you thought. Make sure you still keep that good smile. Make sure you still keep that classy smile to make you look elegant and classy and chic. So smile in your outing is very, very important. And also eye contact. You don't need to just be talking and talking and talking without making sure the person you're conversing with is following actually. So eye contact will do the best. Even if you're going out with your partner, you need to make sure your eye contact are in place, are intact. You're conversing with your eye contact too, and not just conversing with words. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, do not forget to like, comment and share. Tell me in the comment section which other point will you add in these 5 points which I have stated. See you guys in my next video. Bye.